Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to enable MMS messaging on your iPhone. Have you ever had trouble sending or receiving pictures, videos, or group messages on your iPhone? It could be because MMS messaging isn't enabled. It's a pretty common issue, and luckily, it's usually a really easy fix. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to enable MMS messaging on your iPhone so you can send and receive all kinds of media without any hassle. We'll cover everything you need to know in a clear and straightforward way. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Rome Tips for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the app with the gear icon. You probably already know where it is. Next, scroll down until you see the Messages option. Tap on it. Now on the Messages screen, look for the MMS messaging toggle. It should be right under the SMS/MMS section. If the toggle is switched to the left and it's grayed out, that means MMS messaging is disabled. To enable it, simply tap the toggle to switch it to the right. It should turn green. And that's it. You've successfully enabled MMS messaging on your iPhone. Pretty simple, right? Now, try sending a picture or a video to a friend or family member. If it goes through without any problems, then you're all set. If you're still having trouble, there are a few other things you can check. First, make sure you have a stable cellular data connection. MMS messages require data to send and receive. Second, check your carrier settings. Sometimes, there might be carrier-specific settings that you need to configure. You can usually find these settings on your carrier's website or by contacting their customer support. Finally, try restarting your iPhone. This can sometimes resolve minor software glitches that might be preventing MMS messaging from working properly. So there you have it, a simple guide on how to enable MMS messaging on your iPhone. Hopefully, this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to help you out. And again, if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.